What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Sinister back with another video. You know we on that road to building that financial freedom. Because 2025, if you ain't realizing, today's the 29th, December 29th, 2024. We only a few days away from that 2025 rolling in on you. It's approaching. So you know my favorite question is you working hard for your money or is your money working hard for you? That is the question. So let's jump up in the video. As you can see, we invested $4,148.13. The market actually just opened, I believe, tonight. So as of today, we are down by $7.26, which is 0.17%. Let's go look at the year to date. Year to date, we are up $338.76, which is 8.89% year to date. Our buying power right now is $320.85. Let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. Now, the market on Friday was bad. Oh, it was bad. It was red over there, red over there, red down there, red over there around the corner, red up there in the corner. It was just red, red everywhere. It was just bleeding everywhere in the stock market on Friday. I don't know what was going on. So everything took a dive. Now that the market is back open tonight, you're going to see some green because everything was in the red, but the market is back open now. Tomorrow is Monday, and the market will be back open. And hopefully, the portfolio going to look better than it did Friday. Because Friday, I was like, listen, I had things going on trucking-wise as far as a breakdown go. So I couldn't even have my eye on the stock market Friday because I was dealing with a breakdown. So let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. Let's see what's going on. Let's scroll down. Okay, we got some green in here. Okay, so let's go to our number one ETF, which is VOO, which is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, trading at $546.63, and it's down right now by 0.45% in the overnight after hour market. As you can see, overnight 24-hour market. So it's down. Let's look at the past month. The Vanguard S&P 500 is down by $5.64, which is 1.1% because as you just saw, it just changed. Let's go look at the past 3 months. The past 3 months for this ETF is up by $22.38, which is 4.27% in growth. Year to date, from January 1st of 2024 to December 29th, 2004, which is today, the Vanguard S&P 500 is up $112.86, which is 26.01% year to date. Let's scroll down. Now, I was buying some shares last week. So I finally got one full share. So I got 1.428529. My market value is $781.08. My total return is $110.62, which is 16.50%. Now, my goal with this ETF right here is to raise my market value to at least $1,000. That's my first financial target goal for this ETF, to get it to $1,000. Then I'm going to build another ETF, and I'm setting those little milestones. Remember I told you, start setting little financial target milestones. So maybe your first financial milestone might be, let me get 500 put away. Let me get 500 built up in a high yield savings account. Or if you already investing, you're like, you know what? Let me get this ETF or this particular stock to 500. You got to put your money to work because your money sitting in the big bank ain't going to do nothing for you. It ain't bringing you back no more what the market can bring you, what a high yield savings account can bring you. But at the end of the day, that's your choice. I'm building this portfolio because I just want to inspire and motivate. I'm not a financial advisor, but I just want to show y'all how I'm going about building that road to financial freedom. Yes, I love trucking. Trucking is my passion, but I also want to be able, if I want to get out of trucking and relax and take a month vacation, I'm not restricted or held back by a job, So that's why I'm building my financial building that road to financial freedom. And remember, I told you, you don't have to start with a lot. And I'm gonna actually show y'all this. Let me scroll down and go in the history. Now let's scroll all the way to the beginning. Here we go. January 22nd, 2021. If you look at the very bottom, what I started with, $100. And I didn't even get a full share because at that time, the stock that this ETF was at $352.46. At the time, I purchased 0.283724 in shares. Then in March, they sent me a check of 36 cents, which is called the dividend check. I let that go back and let it reinvest itself. So April 30th, 2021, you can see I put $75. The price of the stock that time was $383.05, only getting a fraction of a share. I only got 0.195796 in shares. Then May 7th, 2021, I put $25. Now the price that day for a share was $388.15, which is a fraction of a share. I only got 0.064408. So the purpose of me showing you this is, look, I'm not putting big, large amounts. I started off with $100. Then I did $75. Then I did $25. Now you see me holding this ETF, I got checks back from them. And that's July 2nd, 2021. Then October 4th, I got another dividend check. Then December 27th, 2001, I got another dividend check. Then May 29th, 2022, I got another dividend check. Then July 5th, 2022, I got another dividend check for 89 cents. Now everyone is like, yeah, it's 89 cents, it's 94 cents, it's 80 cents, but you got to start to think about it. That adds up over time. 52 weeks in a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, because the stock market is not a get rich overnight scheme. This is why I try to tell my nephew, because my nephew is in his early 20s. My nephew was 21. So I'm telling my nephew, if you start investing now, that gives your money time to compound over the course of years. So as he gets older, his money done compounded. Your initial investment plus your dividends go back into purchasing more shares, more shares. So the more shares you own, the bigger your dividend check will be. Then after a while, your assets can pay for your lifestyle. And this is me owning assets. So this is why it's important to make your money work for you. But again, like I said, this is just me building my road to financial freedom, because there's things in my life I want to do. And you got to have your reason of why you invest. I don't want to be stuck working forever. I want to be able to say, you know what, I've done enough with trucking. I've been in the game 11 years. You know what? I want to be good if I step out the truck. I don't want to have to feel like I have to be driving to make it. I'm going to be at a point where if I'm trucking, it's because I want to, not because I have to. Wouldn't you love to be like, you know what? I'm working because I want to, not because I have to. Think about that. Just think about that. How important and what type of feeling would that make? How would you feel? How would you feel if you can sit and say, "Hmm, I'm working because I want to, not because I have to, because I'm good. I don't have to work. I just choose to work because that's just what I love to do. That's just where I'm at." Or, you know what? You might want to just take a 3-week cruise and lay under the sun and don't have to worry about coming back and like, oh, now I got to go back to work on Monday. I'm just saying, think about it. Wouldn't that be a beautiful lifestyle? So why not get into it? So let's back out. Let's go back to the list. Now let's look at let's go look at SCHD, which is the Schwab US Dividend ETF, trading at $27.45, down by 2 cents in the overnight market. So now that the price is down, let me tell y'all this. You see how the price is down? This your time you go in, you buy, right? Because the reason why I will go in and buy right now is due to the fact I'm getting the stock at a discounted price versus whatever the 52-week high was. So let's go see what the 52-week high was. Let's scroll down first before I tell you what I got. So the 52-week high, let me find it, $29.72 was the 52-week high. So far this year, the highest this ETF got was $29.72. Now it's trading at $27.45. Let's see what the 52-week low was. The 52-week low was $24.97. Let's roll back up. Now you're getting it at a discounted price because now the price is down. It's not all the way down to the 52-week low, but divide that $27.45 Divide it by 100 and see how many shares you get. Because maybe you can do like I did with Vanguard S&P 500 and put $100 in. So let's look at the past month. The stock has been down by $2, which is 6.79% in the past month. In the past 3 months, it's been down by 66 cents, which is 2.36%. And let's look at year to date. It's been up $2.16, which is 8.56% in growth. Let's scroll down. I bought some more shares in this. So now I'm up to 15.826099 in shares. So I already got 15 shares on my way to 16 shares. My market value is $434.43, and my total return is $15.17, which is 3.61%. Now, my goal with this one, my first financial goal, let's get it to 500. Then the next goal would be, let's get the market value to 1,000. That's the goal. That's the goal. Because right now, let's say tomorrow, I decide I get up, I got something that happened. This is not the purpose of me investing, but things do happen. Let's say something happens and I need to touch $435. I can sell all 15 of my 15 shares, all 15 shares, and take that market value of $435.69. Now, you got to pay taxes on this at the end of the year. So, in your Robinhood or whatever investment app that you're using, they're going to send you a 1099. So, you got to pay taxes on this stuff at the end of the year because you've earned income from the capital gain from owning the stock and the dividend checks that went back in to purchase more shares. So, but that's not the goal. That's not the goal to go and invest and turn around and touch it. So this is why when you start to get into financial literacy, you will start hearing them say, build up your emergency fund first before you start doing investing. So you don't have to touch your investment money. You can go touch your emergency account. So let's scroll down. Let's see. Let's see. What else did I get? Let's look at SCHG, which is the Schwab US Large Cap Growth ETF, trading at $28.53, down by 42 cents, which is 1.45%. In the after hour market today, it's up by 5 cents, 0.18% in the after hours. Let's look at the past month. This ETF went up in price by 82 cents. So if you was invested a month ago, your money would have came up 82 cents, which is 2.98% in the past month. Let's look at the past 3 months. It was up by 2.69%, which is 10.41%. Let's look at the year to date. It's up $7.96, which is 38.71% year to date. I got 5 shares. My market value is worth $142.81. My total return is $2.60, which is 1.85%. Now, my goal with this is to get my market value to 250, then 500, then 1,000. Because remember, we setting those financial goals. Now, let me scroll down because I believe I got a dividend from them. I got a dividend December 12th, right? Number of shares. They gave me 16 cents. 16 cents. So that goes back into them adding that towards purchasing more shares. Now it's not going to be a lot. It was 16 cents, but it changes the numbers on the back end of the fraction of the number, because let me see how many it gave me amount per share. Oh, here we go. Reinvestment amount. 0.005546 shares at $28.85. So that's what the 16 cent got, 5546 to the right side of the decimal. Now, December 2nd, as you can see, my limit buy, I bought 140. I bought it at $29.41. I put in $140.05 and I purchased 5 shares. So this is what the portfolio is looking like. And the main goal as far as this 4,000, my next goal is to get this to 10,000. So I'm setting financial targets. Again, you're going to start hearing me stressing that. Set your financial target. We coming into a new year. I'm going to invest every week in 2025 for all 52 weeks. And let's see what this portfolio is going to look like by the end of 2025, approaching 2026. But thank you for watching the video. It's your boy Sinister. I hope y'all been doing y'all investing. I hope y'all been doing your homework on investing. I hope y'all been doing your homework on high yield savings accounts. And 2025 is here. Be sure to hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Send this video to a friend if you know someone that you feel will benefit from watching this video. If you'd like to join up for Robinhood and get some free stock, my referral link will be in the description box and in the pinned comment. And thank you, everybody. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed.